It's our top 10 gadgets that every tech enthusiast didn't know that they needed. And I didn't know that I needed this right here. It's in our 3D printing section, and you're looking at it going, I have no idea what that is. I was told to take out my phone, play some music. You put it in there, and it becomes a speaker. 3D printed, it's hard and sturdy. It enhances the sounds. And here's the crazy part. We thought it sounded pretty good, but when we were done, everybody over there on the far end of the store said they could hear it, and they could hear it perfectly. So unfortunately, you can't buy this here at GigaParts, but it's kind of a must-have in my opinion, and you could make your own right here in our makers section. 3D printing, we have so many options for you. You could make your own and be the life of the party.